Hi viewers, today we're looking at the log10 MySQL function, which basically gives a base 10 logarithm value for a numeric value specified if above 0. If equal to or below 0, it gives you a null value, and if it's a text value, it also gives you a null value. So let's try that now. So first of all, I'm going to select some data from the world database in the city table. So I'm just selecting all the data from the city table, and we have a numeric column called population, which I'm going to use for the function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to amend this and say select control spacebar and page down till I find log10, tab into that, and then in there I'm going to enter population, which is the name of the column that we want to use for the logarithm function. And then I'm going to put a comma at the end and select all as well, just to give me that. I put it at the beginning. Seems to allow us to put it at the beginning but not at the end. So I'm going to run that, see what it does. As you can see down the right side, the far right side of the table below the report, it's given us a logarithm of each population in the city table, and that's the logarithm to the base 10 for the values adjacent to population. So that's it. That's the log10 function in MySQL Workbench.